Madam Surgeon General, it's a true honor to meet you. My name is Igor Pinchevskiy. My company, itfirm.com, we help businesses with cybersecurity, technology, and compliance.
Wow.
It's a very demanding and high stressful job, as you can probably tell by my beautiful hairstyle.
Yes, I did.
Most of my clients are ambitious entrepreneurs, business owners, lawyers, and doctors. We're all dealing with a lot of stress. As a Surgeon General of the United States, I can only imagine you had a few stressful moments in your life. What are some tips or some ways you can recommend for us to deal with stress and high stressful situations?
First, realize that you have stress, because sometimes we just disregard it like it's not important, because if you think about it, then you think about it, you worry. So you might as well just don't think about it. But in your cybersecurity, you really have the power of the United States in your hands, because it's forever being at risk. And most of the people do not know how to get out of it. Right now, I just was called from Puerto Rico that there was a man impersonating me, trying to say that it was good to sell diapers, and he had dirty diapers on my left and my face on the right. So I called the FBI, and I called the cybernetic branch of the Department of Justice, and they were able to trace this person in particular. So I figured, well, justice prevails, but cyber attack are forever there. Now I got a call yesterday. Don't know who, but now they're putting speeches that I have given about health issues and then putting a medication offered by them below that. So I need your services. At this stage of the game, you have a very important thing, and it will never go away. On the contrary, it's going to go bigger.
Yes.
And for that reason, don't leave. Don't leave what you're doing. Do something for your own stress as much as you can. And some people meditate. Some people just kind of forget about when you go to bed, say, tomorrow I have to do this, because your stress will not leave you. Medication alone is not going to help you. People do meditation, and I have many people that meditate that takes away a little bit of the stress. I will not tell you what else to do, because at this moment, every stress is different. Now, if you have then abdominal pain, you have ulcers that have been made into your body because you can't control your stress, just repeat to yourself, why get ulcers if I can give them?
That's a very good point.
With the bill.
Thank you.
No, good job. Really good.
Thank you so much.